Kaizer Chiefs have officially announced the exit of the midfielder George Matlo. He will be leaving the club as a free agent. Also, I have the updates on the exiting players on Sereno Morris, Marco Dupris, the list goes on, Bafesu. And also the updates on Ulangelihle Pili from Stellenbosch. I have huge updates on him. So, Bafesu, make sure you stay tuned on the video and watch the whole video because this form information you might need. So, Buffett, let's jump straight into it together.
Goodness. Talk about a man on fire. Protect it.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa bhe. I am your host Manqoba Nqobo, all the way from Ekbethana. Namhlanje banfethu nginiphathele zona zishisa bhe. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel, like the video and also comment down below ukuthi ucabangani nge-content enginiphathele yona bafethu. This page or this channel is for only Kaizer Chiefs news. So bafethu, I'll be posting about Kaizer Chiefs only. Ezinye indaba zamanye club, I won't be posting about it. So bafethu, namhlanje we saw ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs have officially announced the exit of George Matlo as a free agent after 3 seasons together. So Matlo has officially left the club. So yeah, I feel sad for him because the past few seasons at Kaizer Chiefs, he couldn't play. Whenever he picks up form, uyaqala ebe ne-injury umjitha. So bafethu, I hope lakazoya khona. Reportedly, Stellenbosch are interested in him and also are in advanced talk with him. So let's hope he will become a good player there and then play regularly with no injuries because he's a good player, if we may say. So yeah, bafethu, let's wish him a good luck lapho George Matlo. You can comment down below ukuthi good luck George Matlo on your future. Yeah. So bafethu, there are many things that will happen lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs at this moment, this week or next week, because we are approaching the preseason with the boys. So bafethu, there will be many things. The arriving of Fernando de Cruz, the more players being announced that they are leaving the clubs. Hopefully more signings that will be announced from the club. So make sure also you are stay tuned. If you like Kaizer Chiefs, stay tuned to this channel. Stay tuned with page like Kaizer Chiefs. So because many announcements will be made this week and next week. Many players can move out of the club. The likes of Osirino, the likes of Omoris, the likes of Omako, the likes of Otopris, Shinga, baningi kakhulu abantu, the players that can officially leave Kaizer Chiefs. I'm not saying these players will leave Kaizer Chiefs, but they are the most possible players that might move to Kaizer Chiefs. So bafethu, stay tuned bafethu and make sure ukuthi follow this page and also you subscribe to the YouTube channel, like all the videos, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos if I upload a new video. So bafethu, I have another big updates on the Langelihle Pili story because we have been talking about him these past few weeks. Ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs are interested in him and that they have opened the talks. The information that has been circulating around the internet that Kaizer Chiefs have advanced in talks with Ulangelihle Pili I don't want to say true, but they are not accurate enough because Mazola have officially confirmed that Kaizer Chiefs are not in advanced talk to sign Ulangelihle Pili, but instead imande bezoqala ukukhuluma naye Ulangelihle Pili to convince him to come and join in Kaizer Chiefs. So bafethu, there is no big movement. There's no big talking going on between Kaizer Chiefs and Stellenbosch at the moment for Ulangelihle Phil, but they are preparing their bid for Ulangelihle Phil to secure him and become the Kaizer Chiefs player by the start of the preseason, because the preseason will start very soon in July, because July 26th there will be an unveiling of home and away kits and also new players along that. And then yeah, bafethu uyabo ukuthi ngampela kumele uhlale kuleli page, because those announcement, the live unveiling of Kaizer Chiefs kits and the new players, I will also be live here on this YouTube channel to show you the kits and the new players. So bafethu, subscribe to the channel. And then I want us to touch on the situation of Utera Maliwa. I can see many Kaizer Chiefs followers think that it is his fault that Kaizer Chiefs can't sign players or can't sign good players. I'm telling you what, Utera Maliwa has been scouting good players for Kaizer Chiefs, but he is scouting players according to their budgets. You know, Mabete, go look for a player who's worth 10 million. He can't go in and then say, I found a player who's worth 20 million, but he will come and scout and then it's all umuntu who's worth around 10 million. Bafethu, that's not his fault. That is management fault. Don't go for Utera Maliwa. He is a good scout. He's been doing it for Mamelodi Sundowns. He's been scouting good players for Mamelodi Sundowns. If Kaizer Chiefs can give him a good budget, I'm telling you, he can come up with good players for Kaizer Chiefs, as we need good players, because I think Kaizer Chiefs need many players, because the past Kaizer Chiefs coaches, the likes of Cedric Kaze, the likes of Khalil Ben Youssef, and also even Nasruddin Nabi can come and look for players at Kaizer Chiefs. Especially Skukun. Skukun have just released players, like maybe 7 players have been released like Skukun for free. So they will be angry at the window. So Buffett, we should be careful. Many players might leave Kaizer Chiefs, and also Chiefs should sign more players so that they won't be ukushoda kwabadlali lapha kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. So bafethu, I think that's all I have for you today. But I'm sure I assure you ukuthi there are more news, big news that are coming this week, from this week forward. So make sure ukuthi you are stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below ukuthi ucabangani with the situation of Ulangelihle Phili. Should Kaizer Chiefs go all in for him to convince him to come to Kaizer Chiefs, or should they look for another one? And yeah, what do you think about the releasing of George Matlo as a free agent? Are you happy, or you wanted to see one more year in him? But yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video bafethu. I really appreciate it. Anazi ukuthi kuchazani kumina, but kuchaza kakhulu. So make sure ukuthi niyaqhubeka nawabuka amavidiyo ami and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you on another one. Danko.